Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Steamboat Willie token. Ticker symbol is Mickey. Now this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange. It was just announced, brand new listing announcement. We're going to go over the information on the Steamboat Willie token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, I believe that this Steamboat Willie character is over 100 years old, and so then it became public domain, and so then people are able to use the character in different ways, but crypto seems to just use all sorts of different characters all the time anyways, so I don't think that really matters, because crypto is always paying homage to all these cartoons and things that, you would think that would be copyright, but they're not for some reason. But I believe the Steamboat Willie character is now open domain to use. That's what I heard anyways. Now their webpage here is steamboatwilliecoin.xyz. Right at the very top of the page, they have the contract address. And this is an Ethereum token. They have a link to Uniswap right on their page there, and a DEX tools chart. So the token, since it's an Ethereum token, if you did want to get this token in a decentralized way, you can get this token by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum, going into the dApps, finding Uniswap, or just clicking on Uniswap directly from their webpage, and then trading your Ethereum for the Mickey token using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage. And you may have to set slippage if there's taxes in the tokenomics. It'll tell us on DEX tools here. We'll have a look at that in a second. And also, DEX tools has a chart. It has a whole bunch of token information. And then it also has some quick audits that we'll have a look at to see if there's any warnings on here. So on their webpage, there's a link to their Twitter, which I'm going to put up right here. And on their Twitter, you'll see that there's a full link tree of all sorts of cool stuff you could check out on that link tree there. Then there's the Telegram. You can follow their Telegram at SBWMickeyCoin. And then there's the Uniswap, DEX Tools link, Blur, OpenSea, and OpenSea is where you can get NFTs, and then a game. So these are all the things involved here in the ecosystem. So it says the first coin using the public domain, so it is public domain, Mickey Mouse known as Steamboat Willie Mickey. So Steamboat Willie is the first character that Walt Disney designed and enters public domain. It says unlimited use on January 1st, 2024. Steamboat Willie is a combination of nostalgia, modern tech, and classic art all wrapped into Mickey, the Mickey token. And it says 0% taxes, so you probably won't have to worry about slippage, but just be aware that there is going to be gas fees when buying tokens off of Uniswap, and there could be failed transactions which result in more gas fees. Now, if you don't want to deal with any of that, it was just announced recently that this token will be listed on Bitmart very soon. So if you follow this Twitter here, or you follow Bitmart's Twitter at Bitmart Exchange, it says upcoming new listing. Bitmart will list the Steamboat Willie Mickey token soon. And keep an eye on our socials for further announcements. So when it gets listed, all you'd have to do is download Bitmart from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get it on your PC. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search a Mickey, and then simply just buy the token. Now they also have the Mickey NFTs. It says, we are the first project to take advantage of copyright laws being lifted on Steamboat Willie. On January 1st, 2024, we're dropping an NFT collection, so that should be out now then. Featuring the iconic character, you can only get the Steamboat Willie NFTs using the Mickey token, which will be burned after the mint is done. So it says 1928 supply, instant reveal, and this was January 1st, so this should be all on the OpenSea right now. Now it says they've been in the media, Yahoo Finance, Binance News, CoinMarketCap, and Gate. So maybe they'll get a Gate listing in the future, who knows? So they have a roadmap on here too. It says, number 1, establish social presence, like create a Twitter and Telegram. Create community surrounded by Mickey lovers. Phase 3, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap listings, and then 10,000 holders and central exchange listings, just like Bitmart. And then Steamboat Willie Mickey merchandise. So they do show some news articles here that you can click on, I guess, or it's just like, these are like memes maybe. And then there's some little video memes as well. You can get the token right off their webpage too. If you scroll down on their webpage, there's an embedded Flooz trade swap, and you could use that the exact same way that you would use Uniswap. You could be able to get this token off DEX Tools as well. Now, according to DEX Tools, they have a little bit over a $5 million market cap, $354,000 in liquidity on Uniswap. Circulating supply is 955.48 million tokens. They have over 4,170 holders, it says. 24-hour trading volume is almost $500,000, 464,000. 71.39 pooled ETH in the Uniswap pool. And they do have 2 alerts on their audit. So let's check that out. It says, no buy and sell tax, no honeypot, contract is verified, no blacklisting. So the warnings here, for some reason, Quick Intel says no anti-whale mechanism, but Go Plus Security and Happy Security says yes, there is. Also, Go Plus and Happy say that there's whitelisting, and Quick Intel and Token Sniffer says that there's not. So that's a little bit strange. And then Quick Intel also says other risks. So make sure you review those quick audits. Those are there for a reason. They're not full audits, so hopefully they do come out with a full audit in the future. You can click on the game button, see where that takes you, and go check out the OpenSea links on their page too. But yeah, this is a kind of a cool meme project here with a game and NFTs. And on their link tree there that you could find on the Twitter, they're going to take you to different NFT collections, OpenSea, Blur NFTs, and then they have all their socials. They're on CoinMarketCap, the charts, all that type of stuff's on the link tree. And then stay tuned for that Bitmart announcement too about the listing dates. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.